Have you watched any movie produced by Nigerian secondary schools before? Oh yeah, what are you waiting for? This OBERE is made cause him OBERE BK, meaning the small people that trouble from bomb.
Ya, obule no him neku. Se burala wokem.
Hey, this OBERE no get good attitude as a person, no. Anywhere trouble there, now where you go see him. Respect he no get for his teachers. What about his seniors, uncle? Even for street na trouble be in Nemo. Una go keep us in Pikinu. The money him parents get na in the deceiver. Him mama don't try use money confuse his principal. Even teacher self she won't hold everybody go stage. OBERE, OBERE, OBERE. How many times did I call you? Him don't even go see classmates money. Oh, OBERE is acted in Igbo language and subtitled in English. Ogbuagu Godwin, Onyeje Santos, Nnaji Rest, Obazi Joyce, Agbara Biyan, na their Igbo teacher. Mazi Shijoke Onyeches as director. Federal College of Education Technical Secondary School, Akoka, Lagos. Your children's vision will never die. Go out.